again everybody, and welcome back to Maya Makes, Bakes and Creates. Today I will be making Manchego cheese and smoked paprika scones. Scones are a favourite in my house, especially with cottage cream and strawberry jam. I thought I would put a twist onto this recipe for you all. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees fan. To make these scones, you will need 400 grams of self-raising flour, 80 grams of butter chopped into squares, half a teaspoon of salt, 150 grams of Manchego cheese, grated, a teaspoon of smoked paprika and 200 ml of milk. First, add the flour, butter and salt to a food processor and pulse it until it looks like breadcrumbs. Now add the mixture to the bowl. Add the paprika and 2/3 of the cheese to the mixture and combine together. Gradually add the milk and stir until the mixture brings to a dough. It's nice to be able to get your hands stuck in. Lightly flour the work surface and put your dough on the bench. Now pat your dough down. Use a round cutter and cut out your scones mixture. If you don't have a cutter like this, you can use a mug or a cup if you want. When you've cut your scones out, put them onto a greased tray. Don't throw away the ends because if you put them back together, you can make more scones. I have 12 scones. scones on my tray. Brush the tops of your scones with milk. And then sprinkle a little bit of cheese on them. And then add a pinch of paprika. Do that to the rest of the scones. Now I've got 12 scones ready to go in the oven. Put your unbaked scones in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes or until risen and golden brown. I've taken my scones out of the oven with a little bit of help. Don't they look golden? They go really well with my favourite chutney. Thank you for watching Maya Makes, Bakes and Creates. Bye!